Hi everyone, this is AVEL, and in today's video we will show you how to connect this Fire TV Amazon stick to any of the AVEL TVs, and we'll show you how to use the CEC function with any of your TV remotes and manipulate this Fire TV stick. So in the kit we have the remote control itself, the Amazon TV stick, the charging block, 2 batteries, the HDMI cable and a micro USB to USB cable. So in order to connect, we will use the HDMI cable and the USB cable. So I will show you how to connect the Amazon Fire TV stick to a AVS 240 SM TV model. So in order to do that, we will need 3 things: an HDMI cable, the Amazon stick itself, and the micro USB to USB connector. So we connect the Amazon stick to the HDMI and we connect it. Now we connect the micro USB and put it in the USB port on the TV. And now we can hide the Amazon stick itself, so the lid can close and the TV would still be waterproof. The lid will close perfectly and the TV will still not get any moisture in it or any water. So now I will show you how this Amazon TV stick works. So as you can see, I have the remote control from the TV itself, not the Amazon one, and we turn on the TV. And we need to select the HDMI source on the TV. We have connected the Fire TV stick and it loads automatically. We have the TV stick working, and the first step, when you log on the first time to your Amazon account, you will need to log on, and we have done it already. So as you can see, you can do anything you want in this Amazon. You can watch TV, you can watch YouTube, you can watch any Netflix series, you can do whatever you want, and it works perfectly with the AVEL TVs. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.